Whatever the badge, the question is always the same. How do we make this car look, feel, perform and sound better? For many modern turbo, petrol and diesel cars, the Stage 1 remap is the perfect place to start, often unlocking somewhere between 10 and 25%, depending on the model, the engine and the mileage and condition. But it also unlocks a world of power and torque. It's the perfect place to start. Add in the right exhaust, induction kit and suspension package, and whatever car you've got, it will look better, sound better, handle better and just be more fun to drive. The exact results are always going to be vehicle specific, which is why Paramount starts with a registration number, a deep and meaningful chat about the route you want to go, and of course an inspection of your current setup before they actually recommend any tuning route. Paramount offers support across Ferrari, Audi, Mercedes, BMW, Ford, Aston Martin, Porsche, Volkswagen, Jaguar Land Rover and other suitable performance vehicles. It's one specialist team for a wide range of enthusiast and prestige cars. Several tuning packages are available where suitable to give you improved response, better torque delivery and improved road feel without guessing. Cars like Ferrari and Aston Martin need respect to keep their sound and character intact. Volkswagen Audi Group, BMW M and Mercedes AMG customers often want usable power with a better sound and sharper feel, where Ford Performance customers often prefer practical stage route with strong everyday benefits. Porsche customers prefer balance, precision, response and always the right exhaust note. This is not one-size-fits-all tuning. These are manufacturer-specific solutions with tried and tested products that really work. If you have a dream, a goal and a budget, let the guys at Paramount know by going to paramount-performance.com, pop your reg number in and start your tuning journey today. It doesn't matter what the car is, the approach is the same, perfection in all things.